This video is about how to make sentences with given words. So our first word is school. 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 Okay. So now I'm going to make sentences with the word school. I go to school every every weekday. Weekday. Okay. Our school our school has a big playground. 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 Right? Okay. Then we can say school starts START starts at 8 a.m. Okay. So our second word is house. So how to make sentences using the word house? 1. My house, HOUSE. My house is painted, PAINTED, painted blue. Or you can say her house is painted red, like this. 2. We have a garden, GARDEN, garden behind our house. 3. I live, LIV, I live in a house. Our next word is friend, FRIEND, friend. My friend name is Shara. I like spending, SPENDING. I like spending time with my friends. Friends are there to support you. Our next word is teacher. Now make sentences with the word teacher. Mrs. Johnson is my math teacher. Okay, teachers, T-E-A, teachers help us learn new things. 3. I have a lot of respect for my teacher. Now, book. How to make sentences with the word book? Look, I love reading books before bedtime. Before bedtime. This is my favorite book. 3. The library has a wide variety of books. A tall tree stand a tall tree stands in our backyard. Trees provide us with oxygen. Trees provide us with oxygen. I like to climb trees in the park. Our next word is horse. I enjoy riding horses at the beach. Then horses are strong and graceful. animal, animals. We watched we watched a horse race last weekend. Then we have the word pencil. Pencil. I need a pencil to write my notes. Or you can say, my pencil has a yellow eraser. Or you can make sentences like this: pencils come in various colors. Then we have the word mother. My mother is an excellent cooker. My mother is an excellent cook or cooker. It is better to use cook. Or my mother is a very good person, you can say. Or you can say, I love spend time with my mother. Or you can say, my mother's name is Lisa. Then our last word is country. Country. Want. I live in a beautiful I live in a beautiful country. Or you can say, our country celebrates Independence Day. Traveling allows me to explore new countries.